If I could stop the world from spinning out in space, I'd spend eternity just looking at your face.
If God gave me another chance, from dawn to dusk I'd dance and dance and dance and dance and dance with you.
We'd drink champagne, eat chocolates too. Oh yes, and dance the minuet, and that's as good as it gets.
If I could stop the ravages of time and slow this frantic pace, I'd spend eternity in your strong embrace.
I don't really know you, but I really know I love you.
Our time is much too brief.
Time will be the final thief, then it will be too late to talk of romance.
So close your lips and let me stare into your beautiful eyes.
And let's dance one last dance. And let's stop the world and let's dance and enjoy this sweet romance. Because with you I've got a chance to stop the world. If I could stop the world, I'd like to stop the world. If I could stop the world.
Miss Whitney James, Alger. Thank you, Whitney.
Dr. Bogle.